Hey guys, check it out, another video, Fix It Pros. We are fixing a Samsung S2 glass repair. We just want to show you the stage when we put the Loka glue. We already tore off the glass using cutting wires, and kind of want to show you that right here. Already took the glass off, so that was the glass. So right now we're going to use Loka glue. That's liquid ocular clear adhesive glue, and we're going to make sure the screen is clean, looks pretty clean. Take all your bubbles out just by dipping a little bit out. And now we're gonna do in this, we're gonna create a little kind of little line here. Okay. Not too much, but enough. Sometimes some guys make stick figures. I like to make just like a cross. Okay, just enough. Okay, perfect. All right, now I'm just gonna let that sit for just a second. Make sure no spots get in here. Okay, tilt this way. Use a little electronic cleaner to get off any little dust. Okay, looking good. Now we're going to take our screen. I'm going to take the top piece off here first. Make sure there's no... Usually these come with an extra adhesive, so we want to take the first one off. Yeah, okay, so take this one off. Okay, there's going to be another adhesive underneath here. So that's pretty good. That shows it's good quality. Okay, so we're going to make sure that there's no dust, because if there's dust, then it's going to come out later. Okay. One second more. Make sure there's no dust. Okay. Now we're gonna take this glass off here. Just gonna peel this off. Okay. It's a little difficult, so just very careful getting this off. Try not to get your fingerprints anywhere. Then I make this one easy. Okay. Okay. Everything looks good. We are now going to install this side first. You want to line everything up properly, and you want this to just gently touch the glass. You're going to see it liquefy on the screen. You don't see how it's starting to form that little bubble? You don't want to drop it, because you're going to create a huge bubble. See how it just touched the glass? That's how you want to do that. So this side where my finger is pointing is still elevated, and we're going to drop it down very gently. We're going to let it gradually let the liquid touch the glass by itself. Sorry about that. Just got to be patient with this. Even if your phone rings, don't answer it, because this is the part you get one little bubble It's going to be very difficult to push it out. So just be super careful with this. It's going to gently do it all by itself. There's guys that put double tape and just the glass on top, but your glass will definitely crack a lot easier than without the glue. So we're almost there. And then once we're done, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. We'll show you a different video for that. Okay, so you're safe now. Now you just gotta let it sit, okay? And let the glue kind of just go by itself, and you'll see. And then we'll cure it. We'll do another video once it's done. All right, guys. Thanks again. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Give us a like on Facebook. FixItPros.com. Have a great day.